My name's Alicia Leemaster, and I'm the Executive Director of the Norman Public School Foundation. At the Norman Public School Foundation, our mission is to enhance the educational experience for students in Norman Public Schools. One of the ways we've been able to do that recently is with these foundation labs. We were able to contribute $500,000 to the district to equip these STEM labs in all 17 elementary schools, which is a process that's underway right now, and we're just really excited about it.
Building a building is one thing, it's what are you doing inside that building? And so the magic that our teachers bring every day is just that, it's magical. And so the opportunities our students will be able to experience. And then you marry that with the wonderful gift that was provided to us by the Norman Public Schools Foundation. An incredible gift, a historic gift in the history of the Norman Public Schools Foundation to really put the materials in the hands of those teachers.
The Norman Public School Foundation's gift was used to buy curriculum and materials for the students to use in the foundation labs. And what that looks like can be very different, but for the most part you'll see students with kits where they're designing something and building something and using code to make these structures that they've built do things. It's really exciting to see what these labs are doing just at the youngest age, take pre-K through 5th grade and preparing these students for really anything. And when they get to that secondary level, these teachers have to be ready, and they know they're coming, and they're really excited about it because it allows them to step up what they're able to offer for students too. And every teacher wants to do more for kids. That's why they're here. The foundation labs are really important in our schools because they give students an opportunity to really pursue and explore areas that maybe they've never considered in ways that are really engaging and fun for them, so they don't even realize they're learning.
This is an impact that goes on for generations. So the one vote in 2023 will be serving students for 30, 40, 50 years.